Of the governor, this morning 1,500 National Guardsmen are activated and thousands more are on standby as we wait to see what Matthew has in store for our state. Governor Rick Scott isn't taking any chances, issuing a dire warning.
We have to prepare and assume we will have a direct hit by this catastrophic hurricane. This can kill you and we cannot save you.
Governor Scott is expected to give an update on the storm and preparations at 8 this morning. We will carry that live for you on air and on WFLA.com. Now, the storm is prompting some school districts to cancel classes. This morning, we do know that Polk County canceled classes for today and tomorrow. Highlands County also canceled classes for today and tomorrow. Sumter County is releasing students early today and canceling classes tomorrow. Other Bay Area districts have not decided yet on classes. We are in close contact with the districts and will bring you any more closures as soon as we find out. Now in Polk County,